There is a peculiar breed of man that is gradually but steadily becoming more and more well-known in today's quick-paced and changing culture. Sigma males refer to this distinct group of individuals. In contrast to alpha or beta males, Sigma males are distinguished by their independence, self-reliance, desire to avoid the spotlight, and unusual ways of navigating through life. They are frequently misunderstood as being robotic and cold by others due to several of their particular qualities. But these intriguing people are much more than they first appear to be. The subject of our video for today is 7 reasons why Sigma males are robotic, the hidden truth. So let's discuss more about it. Number 1. They follow their regimens exactly. It is important to their success and personal development that Sigma males display a robotic level of discipline and commitment to their daily routines. They are able to achieve the best possible physical and emotional well-being thanks to their rigid adherence to their eating patterns, exercise regimens, and self-care routines. They also carefully plan out their time so that they can pursue both their personal and professional goals, guaranteeing that they advance steadily in all areas of their lives. The fact that Sigma guys are willing to consume the same exact meal every day for a long period of time, or that they go for walks at the same time every day for a long period of time, may give others the impression that they are robotic. Men in the Sigma group are essentially aware of the value of structure and discipline in attaining their objectives, and their machine-like commitment to routines is a witness to their extraordinary attention and drive. The men of the Sigma group are aware that one of the most important qualities they possess is self-discipline, which enables them to develop and improve on a daily basis. Number 2. They would rather use reason and logic than emotion to get around the world. Due to their preference for reason and logic over emotion when navigating the world, Sigma guys frequently appear robotic to others. They rarely let their emotions get in the way of their ability to think clearly because of the fine-tuning of their minds, which digest information and events in a very logical way. In turn, this can make Sigma men appear unfeeling, inhuman, and cut off from the outside world. This stands in stark contrast to the bulk of people in today's world, who regularly let their feelings control their actions and judgments. Men in the Sigma group often appear to be emotionally cold and unrelatable since they don't follow this pattern, which adds to the impression that they are robotic. Sigma guys are defined by their unique way of living, which some people may find confusing, but which is a key part of what makes them who they are. Number 3. They are extremely conscious of everything around them. Men in the Sigma social group are always planning, imagining what can happen, and taking into account numerous environmental conditions. They are able to stay in control and avoid dangerous circumstances, thanks to their capacity to always be one step ahead of life. They can create escape plans in the event that things go wrong because, for instance, they instinctively know where the exits are in whatever place they go. They have the reputation of being this seductive, analytical machine, thanks to their great degree of situational awareness and analytical thinking. Contrary to the attitude many individuals adopt in their daily lives, which is more unstructured and unplanned, this perception, on the other hand, Sigma guys are constantly planning and preparing for chaos. Number 4. They continually weigh the dangers. Due to their intrinsic ability to constantly analyze risks and evaluate probable outcomes in their heads, Sigma males are frequently thought of as robotic. They are able to make thoughtful and considered decisions in a variety of circumstances thanks to their mental process of weighing the scales. Risk assessment is something that most people might perform on occasion, but Sigma males do it all the time, and with a level of accuracy that makes them stand out. It becomes obvious that they are acting like problem-solving machines as they carefully consider every element of an issue. This behavior may seem strange to observers because it contrasts sharply with the play-it-by-ear methods of decision-making that many people use. The perception of Sigma guys as robotic and emotionally disconnected from their surroundings is further fueled by this ongoing mental planning. In summary, outsiders tend to observe that males in the Sigma fraternity have very analytical minds. Number 5. When things are tense, they maintain their composure. As I've already explained, Men in Sigma are always planning for calamities, so when they happen, they're ready to act. They have high emotional intelligence and an appreciation for the value of reason when dealing with difficulties, which contributes to their calm demeanor. They stand out from others who would get overwhelmed or reactive in comparable situations because of their unwavering self-control, which exudes an air of authority and capability. People frequently find it puzzling how the Sigma guys can appear so casual and unmoved when faced with serious issues, causing them to perceive these people as almost machine-like in their emotional stability. Sigma males are known for their unwavering resolution, which is a sign of their mental toughness and an important factor in their capacity to masterfully handle challenging circumstances and succeed. Number 6. They cherish accuracy and reality. Sigma males have a robotic quality in their unyielding adherence to the truth and the facts. They place a great value on objective knowledge, even at the risk of upsetting or offending others. They may speak the harsh realities without sugarcoating them, or making an effort to lessen the impact of what they say as a result of their steadfast desire to be honest. They have a tendency towards harsh honesty, which can be pleasant in a society where tact and avoidance are frequently the rules, but it can also be difficult for individuals used to such candor. The Sigma guy's dedication to protecting truth and intellectual integrity, despite the probable social backlash, only serves to further reinforce their robotic appearance because they put accuracy and knowledge above appeasing the opinions of others. In order to achieve clarity and truth, regardless of the emotional implications, Sigma males are frequently perceived as being unyielding and uncompromising. Number 7. They are not very interested in popular hobbies. In their lack of enthusiasm for many popular activities that society deems deserving of excitement and enthusiasm, Sigma males frequently give the impression of being mechanical. Sigma men are drawn to more specialized interests that pique their curiosity and challenge their intellectual prowess, as opposed to obsessing over popular hobbies. Sigma males stand out from the crowd because they deviate from current trends, which makes them even less relatable to those who value conformity and the pursuit of shared interests. Because they appear to operate at a different frequency than the majority, others may view them as robotic due to their distinctive preferences and pursuits. This enhances the mystique that surrounds Sigma males, who steadfastly uphold their individuality in the face of social pressures to conform. For the sake of social integration, a Sigma will never pretend to be interested in something. The reason for this is that male Sigmas do not feel the urge to fit in or receive outward validation from others. A successful, calm, emotionally smart, mentally and physically sharp, and extremely independent man is referred to as a Sigma male. Lone wolves are Sigma males. With a twist, they exhibit many of the traits of an alpha. This archetype's unique blend of personality qualities may even lead some to claim that it is superior to the alpha male. A self-governing and confident man is referred to as a Sigma male in this word. These men don't follow conventional social conventions and typically have strong personalities and moral convictions. Usually extremely clever and aspirational people who seek to avoid following the crowd are these people. As a result of the differences between them and the general population created by the attributes listed above, they are perceived as selfish and haughty by others. However, that is untrue. Sigma men are leagues above other men. They are able to live life to the fullest thanks to their critical thinking and determination. Do the ideas presented above sound true to you guys? Please let us know in the comments section. Until we speak again, take care.